A friend of mine, Sherry, asked a really good question. She wanted to know, how do you play a bar chord if you can't hold down the bar? And so there's our A bar chord. And we're going to interpret her question to really mean, how can you have a movable shape of chords rather than so much that it be a bar chord per se? And so if we take a look at our A bar chord and say, where's all the good stuff? Well, the main good stuff is these three strings right here. And we can then basically add the A root note to it, play the first four strings, and we have a very movable shape. In other words, it's an A here, it's an F here, it's going to be a G here, A here, and a B here. So we've got a very, very simple way of ignoring the full bar as long as we just play the lowest four strings. We could equally well ignore the root note and play the lower five strings. That's going to also give us a nice A chord, and we can move that up and down the fretboard as well. So of course, everything in the guitar we basically use the idea of cheating in, and this is a really good cheat if you just want to get the movable shape of a bar chord. Of course, if you're really interested in getting more hand strength or more leverage in trying to hold down a bar, getting good hand position and wrist position, your thumb in the right place is all going to help. Moving from an acoustic guitar to an electric guitar can help. Having just a lower action in general or lighter strings, that's going to give you some advantage in forming the bar. But to get started, cheating always works. Hopes this helps. Talk to you later.